Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix stickers not working on iPhone problem. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your particular message icon on your phone, right? So once you're in there, let's say you do have a particular message, and here in this text message section, if you tap on this plus icon over here, you will find this option called stickers, right? Go ahead, tap on it. So now the things that you have to make sure is not everything can be a sticker. For example, I tap on sticker and I tap on this plus, right? And now we can go ahead and choose a particular picture. So let's say if I save this picture, so this has a material to made a sticker out of, right? If I go back, so now we have this picture, right? So if we go here, there is no material for this sticker update, this setting to work to create a sticker for. So if you're not being able to use it this way, then make sure if you do not have a material to make sticker out of, you won't be able to create yourself a sticker. Other thing would be if you go back and see here in the sticker section, you might have deleted that sticker as well. So make sure to check on that as well. But that is the things to keep in mind, and that is the way you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.